Hello, this video will show you how to pay for your dual credit classes on RevTrak Fee Management. The first thing that you'll do is go to galenaparkisd.revtrack.net. When you go to this page, you'll be asked to log in, or you can say log in. If you haven't created an account, click create new account and go through the setup portal. So you'll log in and you'll go to Fee Management. So here, you're going to add a student. And then all you have to do is put your student ID twice. Click Add Student. What you'll be able to see is that there will be a list of fees. If you're in other groups such as band, choir, or dance, or if you're going on a trip, you'll be able to see that those fees are also charged here. In addition, you'll be able to see that you have those dual credit classes charged to you for each semester. Now, in order to make a payment, you'll click Add to Cart, and you can pay the full amount and then just click Add to Cart, or you can make a partial payment by deleting the amount and putting the amount that you want to put in. So, for example, if I want to pay $10, I'll just put 10 and then I'll click Add to Cart. So you can shop for other fees. You can add other parts to your cart. For example, I can add the second class here to my cart, and then I'll click checkout. So once I get to this page, just check to see that your billing information is correct, your payment method is correct, and that the items that you want to pay for are correct. Finally, you'll click I am not a robot, and then you'll hit place order. If there are any questions, please let me know. My name is Mrs. Tenalio. I'm the academic advisor at Galena Park High School. You can always reach me at ctenalio@galenaparkisd.com.